Hi, law aspirants. I'm here with another update on the CLAT 2025 results. Seems like I've almost taken a responsibility to alleviate your anxieties, but I'm not sure if this news would count as a good one or a bad one. I mean, it's up to you to decide. So kindly keep watching the video to understand what is the new update on the results. Okay, so the new update is that there's a new date to release the final results. So this is the article I'm referring to Hindustan Times. Okay, the Delhi High Court to hear pleas challenging results on April 7th. We have a new date, which is April 7th. Before that, it was anticipated that February first week mein aa jayega, then February last week, and now they've abandoned February, and then obviously no hope in March also. The results will finally be released or at least be reviewed. The petitions will be reviewed in April. Obviously, tab review hoga, tab us pe opinion आएगा. उसी के बाद we'll have your final results, which will again take maybe a couple of more weeks. Okay, Justice Devendra Kumar stressed the importance of prompt action to ease the anxiety of students. I mean, absolutely. In my last video, I addressed how the CLAT 2025 aspirants are on edge right now because they have no idea what to do, where to go, what to do of the scorecard that they have in their hands right now. Okay, they can't make future plans. They cannot apply to colleges because they're not sure if the score is correct, if the score is going to go up or down. So to ease the anxiety, they have come up with the date of April 7, which is still quite late, but that's the best they could have done. The Delhi High Court's division bench on Monday scheduled a hearing for April 7 to address the petitions challenging the results of CLAT 2025. Okay, so technically, the entire article is about how April 7th is now going to be the new date where they will be reviewing the petitions, and probably only after that will your results be released. Okay, now all of these are other details of the council. During the proceedings, the Council for the NLU Consortium acknowledged the challenges to the CLAT UG and PG examinations and committed to preparing a compilation of questions and relative judgments. The petitioner argued that despite the differences between the UG and PG exams, they should be considered due to overlapping issues. Additionally, the petitioner challenged the exorbitant fees charged by CLAT. So now they're not just addressing one issue, but multiple issues will be considered, and not just CLAT UG but also CLAT PG will be challenged. So I'm aware of not only just the results will be challenged, not just the answer key will be challenged, but so many things will be challenged in the same proceeding. So there's a good chance that the judgment is going to be quite delayed. So, just to address and just to help you navigate through that particular anxiety, I think I have planned something really, really helpful that will, really help you navigate these apprehensions. Okay, now this is something that will really help you navigate the anxieties. Now, this is a webinar that we are planning for all the law aspirants, all the current law aspirants, or all the people who are either in 11th and 12th grade and want to pursue law later. Okay, now this single free webinar will help you know about all law entrance exams, and not just CLAT, but also other law entrance exams and their potency, their potential. Okay, the pattern prep strategies, and obviously top law colleges and how to get inside, and just the whole general odyssey, the journey of a lawyer or of a law aspirant from a law aspirant himself. Okay, JC sir is somebody who's done his LLM in corporate law. So I think he's a wonderful, reliable source to, curb these anxieties that you have right now. Okay, you can use his guidance for your betterment. Okay, you can ask him and bombard him with as many questions as you like. Okay, so it's an absolutely free webinar. It's happening on 5 p.m. on a Saturday. Okay, Saturday is a free day for most of you, and it's happening in the evening. So there is, no chance of missing it. So kindly use this webinar, this resource for good, because I understand the apprehensions, and this is the best we could do to probably resolve them from our end. So, if there are any other problems that you would want to be resolved, again, kindly use the comment section for good. Okay. Kindly let us know if you need videos on anything else. Kindly let us know if you need webinars on anything else, or you would want to have as a live Q&A or anything. We are right here with you. We are here with all the CLAT 2025 aspirants. Okay. We are eagerly waiting for the results as well. And we really, really hope that whatever the judgment it is good for all of us. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end. And kindly don't miss the webinar.